Hello everyone, this is Akib Javed, welcomes you all on Pabbly. So guys, here I explain to you some automation techniques by which you can do your business efficiently and hassle free. And here in this video, I would like to show an automation process by which you can get your reviews you got from Google business page onto a base here in Airtable application, right? Let me show you how it is going to happen. So, our process of workflow is that you have a business page in Google My Business and you are getting reviews and ratings here. So as you get your reviews and ratings from this business page, the ratings and the reviews will get automatically transferred here in Airtable application and saved here in a base that you have here. Guys, Airtable is a spreadsheet application where you can save your data. So you are actually want to save the reviews and ratings here so that you don't have to manually check for reviews and ratings every day from your Google My Business page. You can directly, you or your team can directly see the reviews and ratings here in Airtable. Okay, so as and when you got the reviews here, the reviews and the ratings will get automatically transferred here onto Airtable. This can happen, and to make this happen guys, I am using a software here called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and it will connect these two applications together such that whenever you receive a review or rating, that review or rating will be saved here in Airtable in a base. And the best part of making this automation guys is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So now let me show you on my screen that how you can also make this automation. So guys, this is my computer screen. You can see I'm in my Google My Business account, and here I can track the online presence of my business, and from here I can check the online performance of my business, like the views and the searches, and also the reviews and the ratings I'm getting on Google, like this. Okay, so you can see 4 days ago I have got a new review from this person, Bhumi Sharma. She has given us the review as that our product is amazing, please send me the number, and she has given us the 3 stars as ratings. And as and when she posted this review on Google, I get this review automatically saved here in my Airtable base, like this. You can see this is my Airtable base, and as she posted the review, I get the details here like this, the name of the person who have posted the review, the actual comment she posted, the star ratings, and the date of the review as well. Okay, so I can save these details here, and I can directly track the reviews I'm getting from here only. I need not to open the dashboard of Google My Business every time. Okay, so this is how it is going to happen in real time, and let me show you the process by which you can also set up this automation. So guys, to set up this automation, first of all, you have to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And to reach here, first of all, you have to go here to set up your free Pabbly Connect trial account. So from this link, pabbly.com/connect, this page will open up, and from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect trial account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on this sign up free button. Okay. After that, you can sign in, and when you sign in, you will reach this page. And from this all apps section of Pabbly, you have to click here on access now button of Pabbly Connect, and this will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here. And here you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on create workflow button, and here you have to give a suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So guys, I have written the name of my workflow as Get Google My Business Reviews on Airtable, right? Now click on this create button here, and you can see your workflow getting created like this. And here in this window, you will find these 2 things first in your workflow. First is the trigger and the action. So the workflow work on these 2 things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect do this. All right. So as in our use case, the trigger would be a new review submitted in Google business page, and the action would be is to send the same review on the Airtable base. Okay, so first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window, and from this choose app field, you have to choose your trigger application, which is Google My Business. So you have to search for Google My Business here, Google My Business is here. Click on it. Okay. And now you have to select the trigger event as new review. Okay. And then you have to click on this connect button. Okay. And from this window, you have to select add new connection and then click on connect with Google My Business. Okay. So this will bring you to this window. And from here you have to select the account by which you have created your business profile. So select that account from here. So after selecting the Google My Business account, it will ask for your permission to give the required access. So that is completely safe. You just have to click on continue here. And you can see now the authorization will be successful like this, and we are connected with Google My Business. Right now it is asking for the review location. So here you have to select your business, the name of your business. So I have only one business attached with this account, so it is selected automatically like this. Okay. Now when you click here on save and send test request, it will bring the most recent review submitted for your business here in Pabbly Connect. How? Let me show you. I am going to submit a new review and then we will capture the data here in Pabbly Connect. So I am going to the business in Google and I am going to give a review. So let me write a review here. So I have written my review as this: good collection of dresses, and I have given 3 stars to this business. Now I'm submitting my review here by clicking on post. Okay. So you can see my review is submitted here. Right. Now I'm going to capture this review that I've just submitted in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So in Pabbly Connect, in your workflow, I'm going to click here on save and send test request. Okay. So you can see in this response that we have received in Pabbly Connect, it is showing me my name, the star rating, and the comment that I have given as a review. Okay. So we have captured the data. Now I want to send this same data to my Airtable in this base. Okay. In this base we have Parampara Bhopal. Okay. So for that, what you have to do, you have to go to your workflow and in this sections tab, click here. And now we are going to connect our next application, which is Airtable. But before connecting Airtable, let me show you. We want to send the date of review as well in Airtable. But here in Pabbly Connect, we captured the date in this format. You can see it is showing the year, the date, and the month and the date, and the time as well. But we do not want to send the time here in Airtable. We just want the date. So for that, I'm going to format this date time here. For that, you have to click on this action window, and from this application, choose another feature by Pabbly, which is called date time formatter. Okay. So you will find date time formatter here like this. Okay. And in this action event, you have to select format date with time zone, or you can select format date only option also. So I'm selecting format date with time zone and then click on connect here. And now it is asking for the date you want to convert. So here I'm going to map this date, this create time in which we got the date and time. Okay. For that, you have to click here on this date field and you will find this Google My Business option here in this drop down. And when you click on it, you will find all the details that we have captured in the first tab. So from here, I'm going to click on this create time. Okay. And you can see date and time is mapped here. And now it is asking from which format you want to convert this. So this is the exact same format in which we got the date. You can see YYMMDD, then a T in between, then hours, minutes, seconds, and this Z. This is the same format. So need not to select this from format. In the to format, you have to select to which format you want to convert the date. For that, you can select this normal format, YYMMDD only. Okay. And now it is asking from which time zone. So generally, Pabbly Connect captures the data in UTC format, okay, or the universally converted time zone format. So you can select UTC here, and I want that in the 2 time zone, I want the date and time to be converted in Indian standard format. So here I'm going to select Asia Kolkata. Okay, this is Asia Kolkata, right? Now click here on save and send test request. And you can see in the response, the date is converted like this. Okay, so first we get the date in this format, and now the date is here in the normal format. Now let us send the data to Airtable. For that, click here on this actions tab, and from this action window, choose your application as Airtable. And in this action event, select this create record option. Okay, then click on connect here. And from this window, select add new connection option. And now it is asking for this token. So here you have to paste the API key from your Airtable application. So let me show you how you can get it. So you have to go to your Airtable applications dashboard, and from here you will find this profile icon. Click on it, and you will find this accounts option here. Click on accounts, and from this page you will find the API key here like this. Okay, so this is the key. Just click on it and copy this key and paste this same key here in this API token field in Pabbly Connect. Right, now click on save, and you can see we are going to be connected with Airtable. So we are connected now. Now it is asking for the base ID. So we have a base here in Airtable named as Parampara Bhopal. So I'm going to select this same base from this list. When you click on this base ID, you will find all the bases you have in Airtable. So our base is this. Okay, Parampara. Click on it. And after that, it will ask for the table's name. Okay. So we have only one table in this base. You can see table 1 is the only table. So it will be selected automatically like this. Now it is asking for the data which we want to send onto this table here in our Airtable's base. So first field is the name field. So here we are going to map the details we got from the first tab. For that, what you have to do, just have to click on this field, and you will find from this drop down this Google My Business option. Click on it, and you will find the names detail as this. Click on it to map it like this. Okay, so when you map these things, what will happen whenever a new submission occurs in as a review in Google, the data will be fetched automatically here. Okay, so now it is asking for the reviews. Click on this field, click on Google My Business, and map the comment as a review. Okay, for the star ratings, do the same process. This is the star rating and the date of review. So we have converted the date of review here in this tab with the help of datetime formatter. Okay, so we are going to map this result label here now. So click on this date of review field, and you will find this datetime formatter option. So click on it and map this result label. Okay, so we are done mapping the things. Now when I click here on save and send test request, you will see this data will be added here in another row in Airtable. Let me show you. I'm clicking on save and send test request here. And let's see. Okay, so it is showing this type of response here. You can see. Now let's check in our Airtable if we get the data, and you can see the data is here in the second row in a new row. It is showing the name of the person who have given the review, the actual review he has given, the star ratings, and the date of review as well. Okay, so our connection with Airtable is working perfectly, and our workflow is completed. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, from this very first trigger window, we selected the trigger application as Google My Business. Okay, selected the event as whenever I got a new review, the review will be captured here, and I have shown you how it captures the review like this. Okay, by doing a submission in front of you. Okay, after that, I converted this date time format from this format to a presentable format. Okay, which we use generally with the help of datetime formatter like this. Okay, after that, from another action window, I selected Airtable application to create a record here in our base. I selected the base, the table's name, I mapped the details required to send the data, and when I clicked on save and send test request, the data is sent here. Okay, so we made the connections. Now you just have to click on save, And we are going to paste the link of this same workflow guys in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account and start using this automation instantly. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.